Hello everyone, Andrew here of Chwalik FC, and if you didn't know, we are from Ohio, and right now there is snow on the ground. That means it is officially indoor season, and for every new indoor season, you gotta get a new pair of turf cleats, turf shoes, whatever you wanna call them. I snagged a new pair from soccer.com. Specifically, the Adidas X 17 Plus. They're in this box. Pretty excited about them. They're laceless. I've never had laceless cleats ever in my entire playing career. So I'm excited to try these out and see what they look like. So let's open up this box right now. I don't need this. I don't need this. Ooh, I like this. I'm a sticker fanatic. I don't need this. Some reading material, and $50 off for a box of food. Sweet. That's the end. Time for the actual cleats. Wow, they look phenomenal. Overall, these Adidas X 17 Pluses, they feel good. However, they are a little bit loose, probably just because I'm not used to laceless cleats, but they do feel pretty sweet and they look even better. I'm excited to get on the pitch and actually try them out. I will be doing a full comprehensive review once I've played a few games and hopefully scored a few goals. So stay tuned for that. In the meantime, check out the rest of the stuff on our channel. Make sure you're subscribed so you can see all of the latest content we're producing. And I'm off to try to work these bad boys in and hopefully knock in some goals.